Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by backing up critical files because removing a partition rewrites the drive map and risk data loss. Once backed up, open Finder, go to Applications, Utilities, and launch Disk Utility. Make sure File Vault is off or you have the password, otherwise you cannot resize. Next, select the physical internal disk at the top of the list, not an indented volume, so you can see the partition scheme. This step lets you safely view and prepare to remove the Bootcamp partition. You now delete the Bootcamp partition. Click the Bootcamp volume and choose Erase if available or Open Partition, select that slice, and hit the minus button to remove it. Once removed, select the macOS partition and drag its edge to reclaim the freed space or use the Restore/Resize control to expand it. Make sure to confirm the operation and then click Apply. The system will rewrite the partition table. Be patient and avoid interrupting power or closing the laptop. You finish by expanding your macOS volume into the freed space. Select the physical disk, adjust the macOS partition size, and click Apply. Once done, reboot and confirm all files load normally. If the Mac doesn't boot afterward, reset NVRAM, boot into recovery, and run Disk Utility First Aid. That often repairs partition map inconsistencies. If errors persist or the partition table is corrupted, restore from your backup or seek professional recovery. Backups are the reason you start this process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.